Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 1 pound ground beef, 1 garlic clove, minced, 1 can of diced tomatoes, ½ cup beef broth, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, ½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, spaghetti, grated Parmesan cheese. Heat the oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic and cook until the onion is softened, approx 5 minutes. Add the ground beef and cook until it is browned. Stir in the diced tomatoes, beef broth, tomato paste, oregano, salt, and pepper. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, cook the spaghetti according to the package instructions. Drain the pasta and transfer it to a serving bowl. Pour the Bolognese sauce over the pasta and stir to combine. Serve with grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and be sure to subscribe.